Hello, everyone. Good day. My name is Miss Blessing. By the grace of God, I'm a chartered accountant. I'm so super excited to bring this channel to you at this point in time, especially those who wants to study accounting or those who are into finance and they are confused. What is this accounting all about? Why am I studying this course? Because many people think accounting is just to study it. After studying it, you go to the bank, you work there, and then you count cash, and that's all. No, sir. No, ma. Accounting is far more beyond that. An average accountant is what? Is 100 times, I tell people, ahead of natural, of generally any course. Why? Because an accountant, every companies, every organizations, everybody needs an accountant. Not just an accountant. Please, not a bookkeeper. Because everybody can be a bookkeeper, but not everybody can be an accountant. That's just it. So you see, when you study accounting, it makes you aware. It makes you deliberate about how you run your life, how you run your future. That's just the truth. So you see, the essence of this channel is to what? Teach individuals, is to teach persons who really wants to know everything about this account, because I'm going to start from the basis to teach you what this account really means. What does finance truly means? By privilege, I've been privileged to teach many persons one or two things. But the truth about it is, some people just want to hear, but not everybody wants to make use of what they've heard. I remember while growing up, I wanted to be a science student. But then, when I see blood or I see anybody going to hospital, I can't withstand it. But then, thank God for one of my teacher then. He advised me, said, Blessing, in my first this thing, junior WAEC, I put science first, science second, science third. But then I was doing well in accounting. I was like, a man asked me and said, why not just accept what is brought before you? Because look at it, virtually all your commercial courses, you're doing well. I just had to take it. By then, you don't have rights to choose your course. Your teacher, your directors, they choose for you. So what am I saying in essence? Accounting is one of the sweetest and most easiest course, and there are much opportunities for you to what for you to get. There are much opportunity when you study accounting. I'm telling you the truth, it's very sweet and easy and very what interesting. I'm telling you, except you don't know that course. And it's not as if you don't know, it's that you didn't put your heart to it. That is just, that's just it. So, you see, before I go further, this is our first series, okay? I will tell you what accounting is. There's difference between accountant, there's difference between accounting, and there's difference between bookkeeper. Is that okay? So I will teach you in total. You see, my board is not here right now, right? But this is our introductory section. So I want you to just follow me. For those that are following, patiently follow me, and I will open your eyes into that secret you need to know all about it from the basis. Please, I'm not in a haste. I'm not going to rush this teaching for those that are just starting from the starters. This accounting is just two-way thing. You give and you take. Abba is a boy. Abba is a boy. Abba is a boy. Abba bought goods for 5 naira by cash. Abba bought goods for 5 naira by cash. Or Abba purchased goods for 5 naira by cash. The two thing there is Abba bought by cash. Abba bought goods by cash. He bought goods by cash. The two things that Abba bought, what did he bought? He bought goods. The goods was not mentioned, but there was a purchase there. But the cash was mentioned. Two things happened. He purchased by cash. I told you it's two things. You give and you take. He purchased by cash. And the single rules about this account thing, as simple as it is, but it gets people more confusing. Why? Because they are not what? They don't pay attention to details. Abba bought goods by cash. 5 naira. Cash, 5 naira. But now, when you buy, what happens there? Buy, you receive. By cash, when you buy, you pay by cash. Is understood. When I pay by cash, I give cash out. When I purchase, when I bought, I receive. So there's just two rules there: give and take. And our basic accounting principle is just what? Debit the receiver and credit the giver. When I purchase anything, when I buy, I receive, right? Good. But something went out of me. What is that? Currency, cash. So I credit. So two things just involve. I debit the purchase, what I bought, and then I credit the giver. Well, I'm not here to teach you today. I'm just here to do the introduction of this course. Know the difference between accounting is just a record in a double entering transaction. That's accounts. A record in double entering transactions that is kept for each class of assets, liability, income, and what? Expenses. Just like you go to the bank. I want to open an account. When you go to the bank, I want to open an account. Yeah, what did they do? You and the bank. You and the bank. When you open it, it's a double entry transaction. Me and my bank. And then, funny enough, before, I'll be saying, why would they credit me? Did I not put money in the bank? It's just two-way thing I told you earlier before. When you go and put money in your bank receive. You give. Remember our principle. You debit who receive and credit who give. Your bank receive. You will have to be credited. Don't worry. You'll find this course so interesting and you will love it. You ask yourself, is it that simple? Yes, it is. It just depends on your heart and your mind. And with time, I will tell you how to take charge and control over this finance. I will bring board. If you have questions, please ask. If you ask as I am, I still ask questions. I still make research. Please, if you have questions, don't fail to ask. Is that okay? So I tell you, you will enjoy this. Thank you so much. I want to use this platform to sincerely appreciate my boss, Mr. Akinleye Olutayo. Thank you so much, sir, for the opportunity, for the training over the years. Thank you, sir. He's the CEO of Akinleye Olutayo, Chartered Accountant, Ikeja, Lagos. Please, if you want to audit your account, if you want to register a company, please don't fail to contact Akinleye Olutayo. And to my tax practitioner, Mr. Sunday Folorunsho, thank you so much. Thank you for teaching me, putting me through in one or two things. Thank you, sir. And to Mr. Angel, thank you so much, sir, for pushing me. He's the CEO of Champions College. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the training. And to you, my followers, to you, my viewers, thank you for following me. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Ensure you share. I'm telling you, with time subsequently, you will not regret following this. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.